Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Altis Life Arma 3 4.0 server. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is uh, make a folder on your desktop. I named mine Arma 3 Tutorial Altis Life Server. You can name it whatever you want. I don't really care. So then you want to go to Steam, go to Library, Tools, and download Arma 3 Server. So once you have that, you can right click on it, go to Properties and Local Files, and then go to Browse Local Files. So once you have that opened, you can drag all of these files into the folder that you created. Then you'll want to download this file. I'll leave it in the description. Take all these files that are in here and drag them into the folder that you created. So while that's doing that, you'll want to download another file or application called XAMPP. Then you'll want to click on Start for MySQL. If it asks you about an admin permission thing, just click Yes. Then you can minimize that basically. Then you want to go to xdb and then go to xdbconf.ini and edit with Notepad++. So then what you want to do is go back to the folder that you created, and you'll see a file called arma3life.sql. Double click on that and open it with a file that you're going to have to download that's called HEDSQL. So download that. I'll leave that in the description, the link to it. So click OK, and then you want to create a new session. Basically just click new and it makes one for you. I already have one, so I don't really need to make another one. So then click on it and click open. Then what you want to do is right click on unnamed and click on create new and database. You want to name the database Arma3Life and click OK. Then click on Arma3Life, and at the top you'll see a blue triangle. Click on it, and don't worry if you get this warning, just click OK. Basically you're done with this now, just minimize it. Then go back to the config that you opened and find Altis Life. Username is usually your root and password is just nothing. So that's basically all you have to do. You can save that and exit that out. So now I usually get an error when I start my server up and try to join it. What I do is I just disable it automatically. I disable what's it called? Spyglass. So what you want to do is take altislife.altis and drag it into empty missions, and then go into it. It's going to give you an error if you try to join with this enabled. But if it doesn't give you an error, don't worry. Don't disable this then. Try to log in first without disabling this, and if it gives you an error about Spyglass seeing you, then continue on with this tutorial. So what you want to do is then go to, let me find it real quick here. You want to go to, for sure it's fn init spy, and then find this private thing, and then what you want to do is, one sec, let me find it here. Oh yeah, here we go. So you want to make a new line above it and click type exit with, and then the bracket things and a semicolon, and you're done. So you can save that and close it. So now we can go back to the folder that you created, and you can click on tadst.exe. It'll open that up, and you can name this whatever you want. I'm going to name it Bunnies Altis Life Server. You're going to want to put an admin password in, so I'm going to put mine in, test It's not my actual password, but I'll change that later after the tutorial. Max players, you can put whatever you want. I recommend 100. For server file, you can just double click on that and it'll automatically put the destination in. Then we're going to move on to rules, disable voting, and persistent battlefield. Enable that. That's really important. Then go to missions, double click on Altis Life at Altis, and in the mods, enable @life server and @xdb. Then you want to save that as default or whatever you named this, and you can start up your game. Arma 3, here we go, play, starting up. Alright, here we go, and then you can click on launch in the TAD ST. Launch, that'll launch the game for you. Then I'll click on play here, and so let's wait until that loads up. While it's loading up, guys, please give me a like on this video. It helps me a lot, seeing how this is my first tutorial. I really need those likes. Also, if I did something that could have been better or improved, please let me know in the comments, and I'll try my best to improve it in the next video. Also, please don't leave hateful comments, guys. This is my first video. So if you need any help, just leave a comment down below in the comments, and I'll try my best to help you guys out. So the server started up fine, so that's good. So now you can go to play, multiplayer, LAN, and Bunny's Altis Life server, or whatever you named it. In the next tutorial, I'll try to show you how to port forward the server so that you can have people from the whole world join. So don't log in as Blue4 or Independent first. Log in as a civilian. Click OK. It'll start receiving the mission. So right now it's reading the mission in the console, and once it says mission read, this will start going up, and I know that sounded wrong, but it will start. The bar will start going up, and you'll log into the server. So while that's going on, let's see if I forgot anything here. So we did that. We did the SQL. We did MP missions. So here we go. It's going up. Yep. So while that's going up, it says, yep, mission read right here. And it's almost at the end. It's going to go quicker and quicker at the end. Here we go. I am going in. Slowly logging me in, very slowly. So I'm going to go into the MySQL. If you guys want to see all your players and your statistics, you can click on Arma 3 Life, go to Database, click on Players, double click on Players, and go to Data. And all the players will be here, but I haven't logged in yet, so it's not going to show me up here. So, oh gosh, it's not responding. This is bad. I mean, this usually happens for me. When you first log in, it does it. Guys, if you get on this, don't worry. It's just the first person that gets on, usually an admin. Don't worry. Just click on continue at the bottom. It's nothing bad. So here we go. You can spawn anywhere you want. And if you reload this, now you can see that I'm in the game. So that's my name. That's my Steam 64 ID. How much money I have on me currently. How much money I have in my bank account. My cop level, you can double click on that and change it. Highest is 7. Your medic level, highest is 5. Admin level, highest is 3. Donate level highest is 4, or 5 I meant. And that's pretty much it. So if you want to change the money, you can type in how much you want, but you're going to have to restart the server in order for this to take effect. So let's go back here. You can spawn at Kavala, wherever you want. Here we go. You get this beautiful message. Welcome your name. Please read the rules. You can exit out of that and click enter, and you're good to go. So this is your server, basically. So I hope you guys enjoyed. As I said before, please leave a like on this video. It helps me a lot. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments, and I'll be sure to get to you on that. So overall, I think this tutorial went pretty well. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.